Hi guys, my name is Gorcia Valentin, as you can see from my channel. So you're wondering what kind of name is that? Gorcia Valentin. Well, let me clear this up for you. It's a Romanian name. Yeah, I'm from Romania. So the first video in this channel is going to be a Bluetooth speaker that I just got from England a few days ago. It's a JBL Clip 3. And I used to have this little bad boy JBL Go. And right now the song that you're hearing is from the JBL Clip 3. And right in about a few seconds I'm going to cut to sound test video. I think it's gonna be nice, so check it out. See you. Bye. First, I'm sorry if it's too loud, the 1 minute clip. I just watch it now and it's going to be loud, so I should have given you a warning, but I'll give you that shock, So, see you next time. We're going to have a lot of videos coming up in the next few days, weeks, who knows. Depends on if I'm in the mood of posting something. See you. And don't forget, be nice.